Hi, and thank you again for buying the template from my store. So the first thing you want to do in Photopea is click on File. You want to open. And find where you saved your template that you're going to use, the mockup. Then you're going to click on File again, open in place, and find the file that you want to place in the mockup. I'm going to use this one, double click on that. I am going to resize this, unlock it so that it makes my resizing easier. Lock it again so I don't make any mistakes. Click on the check mark. Left click on this layer, and while holding the left mouse button, you're going to move it underneath the template. And that is all you have to do. Have fun, and thank you again.